Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to improve your Google Chrome browser performance on a slow machine. So if you have a machine which is really old and it's really slow, and when you're running your Google Chrome browser it's really taking time to load up or maybe just to open up, then let me show you how you can tweak the performance of your Google Chrome browser. So here I've got my Google Chrome browser open. Now you want to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Settings. Now this will open up a new tab, and on the left hand side you need to find Performance. Now here we'll go through some settings to improve your performance on your computer. So first we look at General. Here we don't need to change anything. If you scroll down. Next we'll look at Memory. Here we'll basically enable the memory saver, as this will basically free up memories from inactive tabs. So we'll go ahead and enable that. Now here you can choose moderate, balance, or maximum. So it's all up to you. You can go ahead and try each settings and see what works for you good. Next we'll look at power, and here we can enable the energy saver on your Google Chrome. So you can turn on energy saver when your battery is around 20% or low, or you can turn on energy saver when your laptop is unplugged. Now down below here, the speed, you can go ahead and tweak this setting here. So you can enable preload pages, or you can switch them off. You can even extend preloading, or you can have standard preloading. So it all depends on what works for you best. So by tweaking all these settings and doing the trial and error method, you'll be able to improve the Google Chrome browser performance on a slow machine. So there you go guys, that is how to improve your Google Chrome performance on a slow machine. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and